Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? In this video, we're talking about something that's generating a lot of buzz lately is the Mitolyn supplement health products. But first things first, I need to warn you that Mitolyn is only sold through their official website. Ordering from other places can be very dangerous, so I'll put the same official link I used in the description and comments for easy access. It's crucial to avoid imputations and ensure you're getting the authentic product now. What is Mitolyn? It's marketed as a powerful solution to speed up your metabolism and burn stubborn fat. Here's the deal. Apparently recently Harvard scientists discovered that the real root cause of slow metabolism is low mitochondrial levels, and mitochondria helps your body burn fat. So the more you have, more fat you burn, and Mitolyn claims to address this problem and increase your mitochondrial levels. But does it? Diets, exercises, expensive treatments. In fact, I tried countless supplements with no success. It's 100% natural, GMP certified. Take one capsule of Mitolyn every morning with a glass of cold water. There are other health benefits. There's absolutely no worries about it. It delivered on its premises without any gimmicks. PBS and reached my ideal weight after just 1 month of treatment, but I'll continue using it for 2 more months as recommended. So, I can keep the weight off for good. Guys, if you have more weight to lose, I think the 6-pack deal may be the best fit for you, but you can see on the website. Okay, guys. Thanks very much for watching it. If you found this review helpful, give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or just want to share your experience, please leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks very much for watching.